Now, something else you'll want to do is you want to check your spare tire. Sometimes people don't think about this because you don't think about a spare tire until you actually need your spare tire. So what you'll do is you'll check your air pressure in your spare tire, and another thing you'll want to do is check to see how old your tire is. Your average trailer tire is going to last about maybe 4 to 7 years depending on the climate and where it's at, if it's in a lot of sun, because you can't really tell by looking at a tire whether it's good or not. You can look at this tire here and see it has lots of tread, it looks really decent, it looks good, but that's not what we're looking for. This doesn't mean anything to look at the tread on the tire, because tires dry rot over time. And as I said, you get 4 to 7 years, so what you want to do is you want to look at the manufacture date on the sidewall of your tire. So if you'll come over here, there's a DOT, that's Department of Transportation, and then there's a series of numbers, and you'll come over here and there's a 5009. Now, that stands for it was made the 50th week in 2009. Now, as you can see, this spare tire is no good. We pulled this one out of the shed. It's been sitting for a while, so it's time to replace this tire because it's not even considered to be a good spare tire. So you'll want to check the dates on your spare tire, your trailer tires. Make sure they're all within the 4 to 7 year window. Look for dry rot. Look for any kind of damage, because the last thing you need is for your tire to blow out and you to be sitting alongside the road.